Hello everybody, I am starting a series on farm improvement, how to fix up rural property, and right now I am standing on a pond bank. And my first priority for today is, if you look down the bank of the pond, there are a whole bunch of little trees growing down there. Now you might think that's not really a problem or an issue, but it actually is, because as these trees get bigger, what they're going to do is the roots are going to grow into the bank, and they can cause the pond to start leaking. So as of right now, it is early spring. These trees have not really leafed out very much yet. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chainsaw going, and I'm going to cut these trees off just to see if we can get them removed and prevent any future problems with the pond leaking. So I'll get started on that, and then as I get a little bit of work done, we'll see how things go. Well, here's a view from the bottom of the pond dam, and as you can see, I have it about half clean. As I'm cutting it, I'm hauling off all the brush. There's a lot of little firewood left, and I'm going to pick that up later. But as for right now, I got to get the rest of this brush. As I said, I'm about halfway done. So I'm going to go ahead and get to work on that, and we'll see if we can have it looking nice and clean in a few minutes. Okay, I'm all done. That has all of the trees cut off of the pond dam. The brush has all been hauled away. I made a huge pile of it. You can see it right down there. I put it together so that it'll make a little habitat for rabbits and so forth. But the brush is all cleaned up. What I'm left with is some small pieces of firewood. Next step is to pick all that up and stack it so it can be put to use. And there's my little stack of firewood. It is about 8 foot long, and at the highest it's about 3 feet right there in the middle. And I'll put that to good use in the fireplace this winter.